We're now looking at the CSEC January 2017 paper, question 1A. Alright, let's look at it on this screen. It says using a calculator or otherwise calculate the exact value of. Now you do have some calculators with the fraction features on them. You could use that. Alright, well, let's do our calculation by hand here. 3.5 by 1 2/3 divided by 4 1/5. Let's turn each mixed fraction into improper fractions. 2 3 6 1 7 halves times 3 1s 3 plus 2 5/3. Let's leave the 4 1/5 for a little later. So remember, when you multiply these fractions, it's top by top over bottom by bottom. So 7 by 5 is 35 divided by 236. Now, this number, let's put it in now. 5 4 is 20 and 1 21/5. Alright, so what you end up with is here is 35 over 6 all over 21 over 5. Now this is going to be 35 over 6 multiplied by 5 over 21. Alright, so remember, you have a fraction here divided by another fraction. The top fraction, which is the numerator, you multiply that by the reciprocal of the denominator. So this is what you have. So after that, now what you're going to say is you have 35 over 6, 35 by 5. 5 is what? 25. Bring down the 5, carry 2, 5 3 16, 16 17. 175 over 6 by 21 is what? I don't have a calculator with me now. 616, 6 2 is 12, 126. 175 divided by 126. Alright? Alright, so that's what I got for that. Now, let me see if I can get my calculator. That was 175 over 126. The second part now is a bit more tricky. What you have is 0.1014 divided by 1.5 equal, then I square root that, I get 0.26. you'd have to write that down, and after that you say 5.47 minus 0.26, I get 5.21. so the answer for this one would be 5.21. What did I say? I'm right, calculate the exact value of. Good. But remember, you would show the working throughout. I just that I had to leave the screen and go for my calculator, but you should show the working throughout. Show as much working as possible. Alright? Oh, good. So, what you could do, let's just do a rerun. You would say 5.47 minus what? It would be, in this case, minus 0.1014 over 1.5, and you get the square root. This will be the square root of 0.0676. And you say 5.47 minus, you square root this, and you get 0.26. So when you reach here, what you have is 0.26. Then finally, you're going to write down the answer. But what you'll have here is really 5.47. 5.47 minus that 5.21 is the answer. So you get 5.21. You show the working, as much working as possible. All right. Now, what do they say happen after this? You have part B. We'll break at this point and we'll continue part B another time.